Hey guys, it's Alyshia. First, I want to say welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I am super excited because over the next few days, I am going to be at a conference. It's called Own Your Future. It's a virtual conference with Tony Robbins and Jenna Kutcher and Bossbabe, some of these really big names. I am very excited for this conference. First, I love personal development, but I also find it a lot of fun to constantly be trying to learn something new. I find it so important to invest in yourself, and I think this conference is really going to allow me to do that. Being said, I am personally taking notes throughout this conference, and I thought it would be fun to share with you guys how I take notes as both an entrepreneur and how I used to take notes as a college student. Let's do it. Throughout my 4 years of college, the number one thing I really liked to use when it came to taking notes digitally was my Microsoft Surface Pro tablet. This got me through both my associate's degree as well as my bachelor's degree too. On my tablet, when it comes to taking notes, I personally like to use OneNotes because it allows you to break your notes up into several different sections, which is great for different modules or different classes. So that is personally how I'm taking notes for the conference, as well as how I used to take notes as a college student. Another way I like to take notes is with a journal. If you guys have been following my channel for a while now, you know that journaling is a really big part of my life. And this journal in particular is my learning journal. In this journal you can find anything that I am learning, really about anything, but mainly about how to be successful in my personal business. So a lot of this has to do with website building or lead magnets, affiliate sales, design, PR, journalism, just sales in general. Finally, my third and final favorite way to take notes, especially in college, was to use a Google Doc. And I really like to use a Google Doc because I was able to add my classmates to the document, allowing us to take notes together. That way, if I ever missed anything, maybe my classmate may have caught it, vice versa. And this was really good for us when it came to exams, studying, and quizzes too. Actually just recently shared that Google Doc hack onto Instagram Reels not too long ago. And out of all of the Reels I've made, I have never had one do that well. The response was crazy. But actually, I did have one guy comment on it and was like, you know, that's really good for you, but I'm not allowing a friend of mine to write on my notes. I'm like, me neither, man. It's a Google Doc. No one's writing on anything. Okay, in all seriousness, when it comes to taking notes, it's really important to find a way that works best for you. But I hope these ideas give you some ideas on how you can take notes as either a student or as a young entrepreneur. I would like to thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the comments below, and as I always say, peace out.